How to convert BNB to ETH or Ethereum in Trustwallet. Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can convert BNB to Ethereum in Trustwallet. So it's a very simple process. Make sure that the application is completely updated and that you have already verified your Trustwallet account. Now then, to begin with, log in into your Trustwallet account, enter in your secret phrase or your passcode, and once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the interface, which is going to look something like this. Right on this page, go ahead and tap the swap icon located right at the bottom, and as you click on it, you'll be able to see the interface from what you actually want to convert to which. In our case, we are converting from BNB to Ethereum. So tap on the asset first thing, and then on the search box type in BNB. When you locate it, you need to enter in the exact amount that you wish to swap. So let's say I'm going to go with this one. You need to go to the to phase where you have to select to what sort of asset you want to convert. So go ahead and select that, and since we are doing it Ethereum, so select ETH. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the price and all that, amount and all that converted. And if you're sure about it, then click on connect wallet located right at the bottom, and as you do that, you'll be taken to the other field where you have to just confirm all of the information or review your transaction, and then you've successfully swapped or converted to ETH in Trustwallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.